Hello and welcome to this nCore chart tutorial. In this video we are going to explain how you can manage your selection by using our platform. Once you have created your job position, you can share it by clicking here and copying the link that you can use anywhere you need. You can also share the job offer directly on the job boards that you have previously enabled in the setup section. After you have shared your job offer, you will soon start receiving applications. To start working on your selection, just click on the name of the position. A list of candidates will appear here, with some information already available as a preview. It is up to you to decide which information you need to see. Just choose the columns by clicking on the data table icon. On the left, you will see the steps of the pipeline that you have chosen for this position, and below, the default folders indicating in which stage of the application the candidates are. In progress, you will see the candidates who have not yet completed their application. In inbox, those who have completed all of the steps. In not compliant, you will find those who were automatically excluded from the selection, based on the criteria that they were set when the job position was created. You can still view their profiles and manage their applications. In cloned, you will find those who were copied to this position from another one. In manual add, you will see the candidates who were manually added to this position, and in selected, those who were selected by clicking on the cap icon. If you open a candidate's profile, you will see all the information that they have provided during the application on the left side, together with your internal datasets. On the right side, there is a set of actions that you can perform in relation to this candidate. You can share the profile with people who don't have access to nCore, leave a private note or a team note, or view the timeline with a history of the candidate's actions within your organization. Above, you can give a certain score to the candidate, as well as a thumbs up or down. To view the video interview they have recorded, just click here. While you are watching the recording, you can, again, check all the information from here. Remember, you will also be able to see the live meetings that they have been recorded. If you come back to the list of candidates, you can select several of them and move them along the pipeline, or you can choose an action from this drop-down menu. The steps of the pipeline with automatic actions will be marked by this orange circle. The tab next to the candidate's profile will become the same color as the pipeline step in which they were moved. And these are the basic steps to manage your selection.